devoted maker of 3D printers, striving for innovative products and services at a high standard and setting the pace of the industry. In 2014, we embarked on the journey amid a technology boom, and we have seen the industry thriving. Along the way, we have emerged from a newcomer to a leading 3D printer maker with our down-to-earth attitude. But we are not standing still. Instead, we are pursuing digital transformation. Based in Shenzhen, we have set up subsidiaries in Beijing, Shanghai, the US, and Germany. Our advanced R&D centers and labs power us against the competition. Our modern factory exercising strict quality control ensures product quality from end to end. Creality's product portfolio covers FDM 3D printers, resin printers, peripheral, and Creality Cloud. Today, our 3D printers and solutions are widely applied in fields like education, manufacturing, shoe design, and well accepted by individuals, families, schools, and businesses. We are doing business worldwide and have gained 3.5 million users in over 100 countries and regions. As a responsible industry evangelists, we are eager to sponsor 3D printing contests and facilitate technology progress. Looking forward, 3D printing is game-changing and promising. We will ride the tides and usher in a brighter future for all. Creality, creating reality out of dreams.